Wow, twin, I wanna hear. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm in the Upper West region in Adole for my daily food routine, and I saw this lady over here. What she does is that she weaves cloth, FUGU or SMOCK. So in Ghana, SMOCK or kente is our main traditional costume when it comes to traditional rite or cultural rite. This clothes gives a unique identification as Ghanaian, and also it gives a true symbol of your root. In this video, Sister Paulina will be showing us how the setup is done. So if you're a lover of SMOCK or FUGU or you want to have one, this is a perfect spot for you. Very affordable, and man, this is direct from the host's own mouth. And her number will be on the screen. Please call her, buy from her, support her business so that she can extend the shop and also get more workers. I hope you will love this video. Please share, subscribe, like, and comment. This video is about a small insight of how the SMOCK is being weaved and it's being done. It's same as how kente is done. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah. So this is a sample of what they are doing, the threads that they insecting. This is a sample of the SMOCK. Wow, this homemade. Man, this is interesting. So all these threads needs to pass through these tiny holes. So all of these will pass through these holes before they do the extension to a point. Then the weaving will start. Wow. We are sound that Besha has said. Until they will soap and run out the way. I am making now. It's a so-called line back. It may be I end the phone. What has you, Mamma Mia? Wow. So I went home to take a shower because the sun was too much, and I'm back after 1 hour, and she's still on the process of insecting the threads inside the hole. Even the extension is not even done. So you see the colors, how the patterns of the colors are. That's how you see them in the cloth after it's done. And so we have to say a bit in a bit free more. It's a sort of trucking on. Maybe I am Messiano. How go which she's not in free more. What's the first saying? Paulina, we need for 444, maybe a middle one, we in 5, 6, then a baby, okay. You decided to say 444. Okay. Man, it's not easy. The setup alone even took the ladies hours for her to finish. But once she was done, everything was fast. And one thing I also noticed is that there are lots of shops who are helping these young girls to learn how to weave this cloth. Since this cloth is very popular in the northern parts of Ghana and also an everyday consume, not only on occasions. The artwork about this work is incredible because you need to understand how to mix colors. You can't just weave anything for anyone. And I believe in their vocation training, they are taught how to mix colors as well. Because man, FUGU is one unique material or cloth that we have in Ghana. One important thing about weaving clothes is the starting. You have to make sure that you have a strong start. If not, after everything, the thread will be coming back again from the starting point. Then that will be cost 90 job. Man, it's not easy. So you could see how she's putting pressure on the starting point or the foundation. See the formation, the patterns which is forming. I'm really impressed how the calculations and the mathematics and everything is being done. You put one thread here, you take it from the other side, you insert it somewhere else, and look at the patterns. Wow. I didn't what me always saying. What me back was saying. Way more. I didn't send out to me. What do you have, mama? Wait. Ibra. And a day send out to me. What me way back when Diana me a day. Way back. And we are manesa. Way back. Slate. Okay, slate. And we were in area. It's into my way. Now joining. Night to say okay. Wow, twin, I want to hear. Whoa. So she did all of these. She did all of these ones. What's your number?
054 77 36 442.
Okay, so that's her number. So Sister Paulina is in Nadoli in the Upper West region, and she does weaving of smock or entuma, entuma. So if you are interested in this kind of cloth, you want to buy and sell, or you want it for a personal stuff or a gift for men and women. You see how like what goes through before doing everything, like really hard work. Just go ahead and buy something from her. She'll give it to Bass and you collect it from our crowd, Kumasi, Takradi, wherever you are. Okay, just go ahead. But affordable. Everybody can buy the cloth. Everybody can buy. Just go ahead. Like great work. Look at these ones. Look at them. Wow. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. So this kind of video give an insight about women empowerment. So please, after watching, kindly share, subscribe, like and comment, and turn the notification bell for more updates. Please support my traveling by clicking on the link in the description box to donate to my travellings. And also, I would love someone to sponsor me a pickup for some months. Thank you. Yeah, so that's it. Let's meet again for Shezo Manezo Cookie with Sindaco or Quarter 1. Today's video is sponsored by Lemonade Finance. So Lemonade Finance is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Canada, UK and US to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So you can send money to Nigeria, Senegal, Ghana, Benin, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Uganda. And you can do all this transaction with zero commission. You no pay any fee. Just send the money and receive in bunch in Africa. And the first transaction above £100, use the name Sindaco and get £10 cash back. Man, won't pay when up then. Lemonade Finance. Just go to Google Play or Apple Store and download the app and just fill in your details. You are good to go. Download Lemonade Finance today and make your life easier. It's fast, reliable, and they also have the best and the highest exchange rates in the market.
So ebusian for Ghana. Na sa person will send this kama omwa. Download the Lemonade Finance app no. Ewo App Store, Google Play Store. Never send this kama webusian for omo Ghana. Lemonade Finance app no. Free. So we send this guy free. Very easy and very secure too. Exchange rates no so the best on the market. And catch our webusian for omo abotre. Some person will send this kama wa. Omo use Lemonade Finance. Ubet me download the Google Play Store, any Apple App Store. Kai say Lemonade Finance, free, easy, fast, and our exchange rates no so the best on the market.